This is a test from the National Weather Service in Green Bay. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone, which normally precedes the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a test of the warning alarm system for NOAA weather radio stations WXJ 89 Wausau, KIG 65 Green Bay, WXN 69 Sister Bay, WWG 88 Crandon, WWF 40 Coloma, WNG 552 New London, KC2XBZ Gresham, WNG 553 Wasaki, and WNG 565 Rylander. Specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal for severe weather watches and warnings issued for Central and Northeastern Wisconsin. Tests of this alarm system are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings that affect these 9 NOAA weather radio stations in Central and Northeastern Wisconsin. For a complete listing of the transmitter locations, frequencies, and the counties they serve, please contact the Green Bay National Weather Service office at 920-494-2363 and select option number 7. This list is also available on the internet at weather.gov/GRB. This concludes the test of the public warning alarm. We now return to regular programming.
And now the forecast for your local area. Today, partly cloudy. High